Do you trade the 15-minute opening range break? Well, here's a new way to look at it. The new 15-minute opening range break has been reinvented. Don't get left behind. So do you like to trade the 15-minute opening range break during US session? How many times has this happened to you? So you get into the position here, you look, you get your break above the zone, you have your fair value gap and all that. So you're like, woohoo, woohoo, we buy, right? Put in a position right here. We put our stop loss, right here, maybe even here. And then we're trying to target, 1.5, 2 to 1, even maybe even a 1 to 1, who knows? But we should probably go 2 to 1. So we'll go 12, 1300 will be about 2 to 1 right here if we're doing that, right? There. And then we go in and we're like, oh no, what happened? I thought it was range breaking. Oh my God, why? How did all those YouTube gurus make all that money creating these orb breaks all the time? How do they do it? Well, they blow accounts constantly, I'll tell you that. So this is, I'm going to show you something that's going to show you when a real one happens, right? So you're trading the break. So here's a real one, right? It breaks out. I'm going to turn on the first light beacon. You ready? There it is. See this right here? We don't even want to see candles. I'm going to turn the candles off. You see this zone right here? This is a 4-hour candle turned into a support and resistance zone. And this is a 45-minute candle turned into a support and resistance zone, the red one. When they cross over and one pushes up, that's telling you there's a shift in momentum, right? Now watch this. Where is your entry? So this breaks the orb, comes down, retests the zone right here. So your entry, and this happens at 10:50 a.m. This is your entry right here. These are 2-minute candles. There's your retest. There you go. Boom. Bye. This is your true bull flag, right? And then we're going to stop with the drawing tool so I can select this. There we go. And we're going to target the high or do whatever we're going to do to get into the trade. And then we have a stop loss right there on the zone that it rejected. So there we go. So there's a 2 to 1. Let's see if we can get 2 to 1 out of this. So it'll be 860. And there's your trade. That's how you confirm if you're getting into a actual orb break. Now let's go back to the other day where it dumped on you, and you can see the difference between the zones and what happens when it's not an orb break. So let's just remove the candles since we know it's not breaking out. You see these zones are not crossing over, right? They're not crossing over and breaking up. They're crossing back under. Price is not retesting either one of them. It's actually dumping. And then this actually crosses right here. And guess what? The bottom of the orb gets broken through. And then we finally get a retest of the zone here, and you get another retest here if you missed it. That's the power of the first light beacon trading the opening range breaks.